जय माता दी। भाई तू है मेरी जिंदगी का मेन हीरो अभी। किसका फोन है ये? मेरा था जो था। और मुझे पता गलती कहाँ कर रहा हूँ मैं। तूने क्लोजअप मार ले सब कुछ जल जाएगा। We went to this place recently for कड़क चाय। तो नाम नहीं याद। खाजा हमारी जान। हाय हाय मत रुला मेरे को। She used to cook meat, but she never used to taste it. Hey, Rabbi, questions? Hi everyone, this is Chef Vikas Khanna. Welcome to my restaurant Kinara at J Resorts in Dubai. Kinara means a shore where you begin your journey. Kinara also means a place where you park it and you rest and you breathe. And that is what we want this restaurant to be, something where people come as a part of the destination or the part of the journey. Kinara is different predominantly because of the location. Dubai is absolutely one of the biggest cultural stages in the world between East and West. And I feel Dubai has become the center stage where the cultures are coming to be seen and to celebrate their own cultures. And I feel that's why Kinara becomes extremely special for me because it celebrates India right in the middle of East and West. This is our Kinara walk. This is how everyone enters. On the side, they can see the dishes being prepared. We've kept a kitchen which is on 3 sides like an island, so you can see every chef working and performing and creating dishes. When I look at the world I've created everywhere, it takes me back to that one dish which made me fall in love with cooking, and that has to be atte ka halwa. It's like a dessert made out of whole wheat flour, desi ghee and sugar or jaggery. For me, that is a spiritual moment of cooking for me. So we keep this beautiful work of my career, Sacred Foods of India, and we keep this on display. I feel it reminds us who we are as people, but also who we are as a culture. And that is why we keep this on display right at the entrance of Kinara.
Chef, which spice takes you home?
I think mainly वो curry पत्ता ही होगा, because I feel something about curry leaves and me getting educated in South India has been one of the very important parts of my life.
What is the one ingredient you never compromise on?
Good quality ghee.
One dish in Kinara people can't leave without trying.
Everything. But very special dish and very close to my heart dish is coming to Kinara on this Diwali. उसका नाम है Textures of Sabudana. Let me show you how it's made. हमारे घर में साबूदाना was a sign of fasting and feasting. यानी कि जब भी कोई feasting होती है साबूदाना होता था, जब भी fasting का टाइम होता है साबूदाना होता था. ये डिश वहीं से इंस्पायर्ड है. तो उसमें हम साबूदाना की खिचड़ी हमारी ब्यूटीफुल पर्ल्स ऑफ साबूदाना और साथ में एक साबूदाना की टिक्की है और सबसे ऊपर हमारे साबूदाना का एक पापड़ है. I'm going to show you how we assemble this dish as our special for Diwali.
What emotion do you want someone to feel after they come to Kinara?
मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि once you come out of a restaurant, you feel light and happy just like being home. मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है वो feeling, वो emotion, because that is what we strive for, in making them feel welcome as if they've come to the family member's home.
If your grandmother walked into Kinara tonight, what would you serve her?
हाय हाय मत रुला मेरे को. Everything vegetarian. She used to cook meat, but she never used to taste it. So मुझे आज तक वो समझ नहीं आया वो brilliance of culinary arts, where you're cooking something to perfection, but you don't taste it. Just with the smell, she would judge कि इसमें ये चीज़ कम होगी. Brilliance. This is sabudana ka papad, and some few techniques how to make a food look different and appealing.
Which festival food is your favorite?
I'm very passionate about all Indian festive foods, but I'm very close to my heart. The cooking has to be during Diwali because that was my grandmother's favorite time, Navratri or Diwali.
So let me ask you one childhood Diwali memory of yours.
सुबह सुबह घर पे सूजी का हलवा, आलू, चने और साथ में कड़ा प्रसाद बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मेमोरी है मेरी वो, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि जब भी वो खुशबू भी मेरे सामने कभी रिक्रिएट होती है लाइफ में, इट गिव्स मी वन वर्ड विच इज कॉल्ड सुकून. सुकून हुआ था मेरे दिल को.
That's very nice. Now, a quick run.
Laddu or jalebi?
Oh my god, I love jalebi because it's also very difficult to find a perfect good jalebi.
Gulab jamun or rasgulla?
No.
Kaju katli or besan barfi?
Kaju katli, favorite.
Son papdi or coconut laddu?
Son papdi.
Rasmalai or shahi tukda?
Rasmalai.
One thing that we are going to definitely find in your restaurant.
Hospitality and love.
So chef, now we are going to do a very quick rapid fire round. If Dubai was a dish, what would it be?
Wow, a perfect khichdi.
Go to late night bite in Dubai.
I think after eating in Dubai or after going out with friends and working in a restaurant, I love the place called Juice Point. So much a variety of fruits and juices.
First thing you do after landing in Dubai.
Run to Kinara as fast as possible.
Which Dubai landmark deserve its own signature dish?
All of them.
Which is your favorite?
Burj Khalifa, iconic.
One Emirati dish you think deserves more love?
कितना कुछ है बहुत आपके इस cuisine में. Shawarma, I feel people feel it's very common, and I still feel it deserves more place on the dining space.
One dish you have cooked so often you could do it blindfolded.
Blindfolded, I think one dish which I can do very well would be a good butter chicken.
If you could swap kitchens with any Dubai chefs for a day, who would it be?
Ranveer Barar.
He loves you too. The strangest food request you have ever received in Dubai.
Dubai mein, I feel people are still easygoing as compared to when you go to America. But one strange request I've ever gotten here was कि शेफ आपके फेवरेट हैं आपकी दादी के हाथ के बने मेथी के परांठे, मेथी और आलू के परांठे. And I'm like, okay, somebody requesting something which is my childhood favorite dish, and we made it.
Your go-to comfort food after a long shift.
I taste so much during service that I feel that during my dinner I need something very light. It could be just a good cup of kadak chai and that's it for me.
Only kadak chai?
Just kadak chai with maybe Parle G.
If Kinara could have a new branch anywhere in Dubai, where would it be?
I think Sheikh Zayed Road. Thank you everyone for watching me on Mashable Middle East.